Good morning and welcome to this HTML5 course. In this chapter we will see how to publish for free on Firebase. For that, we will need a Google account, also to register on firebase.google.com, and we will go to create a project on this site, and we will have to install for that or Node.js and the Firebase CLI tool. So go to node.js.org to download the version we need, depending on whether you have a Mac or Linux. Once it's done, we go on the page firebase.google.com. So you will go to the page Node.js, or you will download the version you need on Windows, on Linux, or on Mac. Then we will go to the page of firebase.google.com to create a project. So we click on Create a Project. We choose the name of a project for the application that we made previously. I had chosen to make an app of the cafe, so I will choose a name for my app. So I will be able to call it My Morning Coffee or simply My Coffee. It offers me a suggestion, okay, so I will continue. I don't need Google Analytics and I just create a project. So I wait for my project to load. It's ready, so I click on continue. So I land on the project overview page. I can see at the bottom left that I'm on the free version and that I have the possibility to change the formula. So I click on create and on hosting. From there, I start. So it asks me to type this command in invite command. So I will open it and I will type the command. So those who are on Mac or Linux will have to type the little word sudo, S-U-D-O. So then we will wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, we can do next. So it's loaded, I do next. Then it asks me to open a terminal window and to access a folder racing for your app web or to create one. We will create a folder by typing mkdir for a new folder and I call it publish. I move to this folder and then I will be able to connect to Google by typing this command. So I'm connected and I will be able to type this command to launch my project. My project is launched. Is it ready? Yes. Okay. I'm going to select hosting and I'm going to select enter. So there it tells me to select an option. So I'm going to use an existing project or create a new project. Add Firebase to Google Cloud or don't set up a default project. So we're going to use an existing project. In fact, I call it My Coffee. So I enter what do you want to use your public directory? Very well. So I put enter. So configure has a single page app index.html. No. Enter. I don't need to use GitHub, so I put no. So it tells me that the installation is complete. I'm now going to go to the folder that I created. So I'm going to go to the folder root and I have created my published folder. It's here. So inside I have my public folder with my 2 pages. I'm going to the application folder that we made on the coffee. So here, and I'm going to copy all of this to paste it into this folder. So I do Ctrl V, but it offers me to replace the index.html file. I put yes. Once it's done, I find my command invite. Now launch the next command. That is to say, if I do next, it tells me to do Firebase deploy. So I open my command invite and I paste this command and I do enter. So my application is now deployed. You see here that the URL that was defined, I will copy this URL and I open it in a new window. You have now the site which is well deployed. Rate.